Snort, snort. Oh, geez. Alright, so I'll have you kind of hold on to this somewhere on here. Yes, I know. It's weird.
Really want to sniff them. I really want to. What am I now?
I know, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, you, okay. There we go. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, that's just really annoying, lady. But you're taking it like a champ, yes you are. Very good. I know. What's this about? Good girl.
You're doing a good job.
Oh my goodness. Looking at Dad. What in the world?
What's going on?
Oh, you domy heads. Oh, you domy heads.
You don't beat the skin.
Yeah, I know. Can't quite get it just
There we go.
right.
Good girl.
Oh, that was weird.
Barely even
That was
feel
weird.
that.
Oh,
What
that
was
was-
that? It was weird.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's your little there it is. There it is.
Here it is.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Uh-oh. We have one fall out.
That would be why I had a rejection of 100%. Doing that.
Hold that one, huh?
There we go.
You're a good kid. I know that's tickling your ear, huh?
It feels funny, doesn't it? You trying to find your gun?
Is this running right now?
Yes, I'm sorry.
I'm just going to show that screen.
Oh. Hold on, let me hold that so it's not on your ear. There you go. Oops. Did one fall out? We lost one.
Okay. Aha. Come here, cuteness.
Hold on, my baby.
Oh, so that's a little low. Yeah, I know. Oh, who's a good puppy? Who's a good puppy? Wait, who's another one? Oh, don't chew on that. No.
Don't chew.
Don't chew on that.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, it tickles. Uh-oh, we
Lost an
lost an ear
earplug.
thing.
I better let you do it.
I
If
know,
you
the
can-
wires are touching her ears and they're tickling her.
Say if you can. I know it's hard. Keep her from shaking her head. I know. Do we still have all the other ones in? We have that one in. We have that one in.
Yep.
Okay.
Like I'm holding those two. I know it tickles. I'm sorry.
Do I have a cookie? You just don't know. You just don't know.
Let me see. No. Oh, the ear things came out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. We'll switch sides. Okay, so let me switch sides.
No, we don't eat those things.
But they could be tasty.
You never know. You're a good girl. Doing a good job. You know it's tickly. I'm sorry.
What? Yeet. Moving target. Hi. Yes, I know. And then you know what? I have to put this back in your ear.
And just check the green lead.
Yeah, it looks like her. I know, but I want to put it back in so we don't. So it doesn't fall out. Got that. That's in Her ground. Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3.
Good girl.
She's giving me a look of general lack of amusement. Alrighty, Missy, you're done.